Hello, my name is Bijanca Star and welcome to NFT time, where I share the latest tea on the NFT community. All right, first story is DAOs positioning themselves as internet communities through governance, through coming together, through mutual appreciation of something. What is that something? NFTs. NFTs are the primary function in a DAO called Flamingo, where they look to be an NFT collective that supports and collects premium NFTs. Say NFT one more time, NFT. What it is, what a DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. These people come together and function as a collective group, and their governance and their rules are written in code. And so no longer there is confusion or human interaction and needing third-party channels in order to make certain decisions. It'll be interesting to see how DAOs move forward. These DAOs are specifically geared towards NFTs, but as we continue to evolve in the space, it'll be interesting to see how DAOs are organized. Mark my words. DAO Summer 2022, I'm saying it right here, right now. Let me know later if I'm correct. I am. Combined sales for collectible and art NFTs have reached $7.4 billion as of Q4. Initially, $17.8 million in January 1st, and to date, $1.8 billion on November 5th. That is a huge, huge rack up of money. It is a huge, huge exploding business, exploding industry. If you're not in NFTs now, if you're not understanding NFTs, if you're not thinking about how NFTs can be applied to the future, you're doing something wrong, honey. I'm saying it right now. Get on the NFT train, because it's not just art. It can be whatever you think. There is no cap. There is no way in which to envision an NFT. That's up to you. NFL is looking to ticket collectibles on Polygon. Polygon is a layer 2 solution on top of Ethereum, making gas fees way more efficient, way more accessible. It'll be interesting to see how the NFL integrates their NFT ticketing system in the future. Specifically interesting to see how they onboard people into Ethereum, into Polygon. How do you teach people about this stuff? Well, you got me with my NFT 101 classes. If you need some help, let me know. I'm the girl. Penfold, a wine company, to release a rare wine as an NFT. NFT doesn't just need to be art. It can be actual tangible goods, a rare wine, for example. Fun. If anyone wants to buy me that, I'm okay. Thank you. And Adidas made a POAP, a proof of attendance protocol, which is a specific way in which you can organize your events. But the terms made it clear that Adidas maintains ownership of all the NFTs. Literally, the only reason NFTs are so appealing is because you actually own something, you are in charge of it. So them saying in their terms that they actually maintain ownership, what's the point? Apparently it'll be useful in the future for something, but I just think that they're not understanding the principles of this space. And we'll see how their consumers treat this particular product. All right, our word of the day is altcoins. Altcoins, an alternative coin, is anything that's not Bitcoin, because Bitcoin was OG, Bitcoin's day one. Bitcoin is how this whole thing started. Everything else is an alternative. Have a good day, and I'll see you soon. Bijanca Star out.